Hi everybody, my name is Tanvi Taide. I am a certified soft skills trainer and an event management faculty. I am also a tarot card reader professionally, and I am associated with TTA Chinchwad as an event management faculty and as a soft skills trainer itself. My journey with TTA Chinchwad has been absolutely amazing, heartwarming, full of excitement, and I think this is by far the best workplace that I have worked with. So much of love, so much of support is given by uh, the founders, and the amount of love I get from my students, that is something which is beyond words. Which comes to my next part of what I'm going to say, and that is about the learning environment. Such a positive and a friendly environment. I think when I was a child, I would have wished to have a learning environment such as the students that they get in TTA Chinswad. And it is so amazing to see that because they have such support and love from their teachers, they are able to learn more, they express themselves beautifully. There's a sense of pride among students because the way in which they show out their creativity, they bring out that creative expression in them, that is something which is unmatched. I have not personally seen an institute investing for the best of students at such a scale of all the many years that I have been teaching and training. The faculty in TTH Inswad is somebody who is expert in their field, somebody who knows what they are teaching, how they are teaching, and I think that is more important, on how you teach, how you impart knowledge in a way so that your student is more benefited. I think all the faculty members in TTH Inswad share this unanimous quality, and I want to applaud them and congratulate them for that. And what I love about TTH Inchwad is the amount of opportunities and the amount of exposures the students get through various collaborations, influential people visiting and supporting all the big and small events happening in the institute. TTH Inchwad also celebrates all the festivals, all the national festivals nicely. And when they start working for their mega event, that is an annual event called the Alakriti, with the fashion show and the exhibition, the amount of dedication and work put in by everybody in the institute is just beyond words. I am so happy to be associated with TTA Chinswad, and I wish them all the very best. And I'm hoping you join TTA Chinswad as soon as possible so that I also get the opportunity to know you, to teach you, and help you for a brighter future. Thank you so much.